Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is captcha typers 10 websites to make money as a captcha typer in 2022. So before we start our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video. Let's get started. Captcha typers are people who make money online by typing captchas on website. Captcha typing is similar to other small make money online jobs like surveys, and you can do it on your free time to earn some extra income. When I first started my career, I paid money to a company to become a data entry operator. After spending many hours entering data into their software, they reject my work citing qualify issues. Later I found that it was a scam and I lost money from starting as a data entry operator. Then a call center executive, a content writer, a digital marketing executive, starting my own startup, raising $2 million in funding, getting kicked out from the company I started at, heading digital marketing for a 300 employee company. I have had a very unique journey. If you are interested, you can read my full story here. I have also written a detailed post about how to start online business to change your life. So guys, what is captcha typer? Captcha typer is a human check test website to ensure that no mechanized bot or programming can join their site. I am sure that you probably encountered the captcha many times while working on the web page. So best 10 sites make money online in a captcha typer. 1 Mega Typer's captcha typer website. Mega Typer is exceptionally good among us than other online captcha typing sites. It is because here you get paid from $0.45 to $1.5 for each 1,000 words pictures produced. A large number of typers gains up to $250 every month from this site. Number 2 is Pro Typer's captcha typer website. Pro Typers is another captcha typing site where people gain as high as $200 per month by integrating captcha pictures. People from all over the world can join Pro Typers and can start earning from the comfort of their home. Number 3 is Kaloti Bablo captcha typers. Kaloti Bablo has been giving on the web jobs from home from the last 5+ years, and a significant number of the individuals have gotten their installment on schedule. They settle up to $1 significantly more per 1,000 captcha picture produced. GlotyBablo.com utilizes a rating framework to pay a higher amount of their more proficient, specialized, more precious you shown, the more cash you will get. Number 4 is Fast Typers captcha typer website. Fast captcha typer is the site that values its incredible specialist and pays them up to $1.5 per 1,000 captchas. The pace of solving captcha will be higher during the 12 am to 5 am. Number 5 is to captcha typer website. Not just you gain $1 for each captcha pictures, however you likewise get some reward for tackling complicated figures. Another method of gaining here is through the referral framework, that is you can refer as many friends of yours, build your network, and you can earn money. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So take care, goodbye.